Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about some problem of AP. Now today we have discussed about we take three terms or four terms in AP and their sum, square of the sum, cube of the sum are given. In that cases, how we choose the terms of AP. Now here in the question number 16, three numbers are in AP. Their sum is 27 and sum of their square is 275. Find the number. Or question number 17, divide 20 into the four parts. In this case, which are in AP such that the product of first and fourth is to the product of second and third is. Now here we take a note. If for the odd number of the series, for odd number of series, odd number of series, we take A, here A plus D, here A minus D. Now another term A plus 2D, A minus 2D, A plus 3D, A minus 3D. In this case, now if we take three terms, then we assume that these three terms here common difference is D. If you choose 5 terms, then 3 terms and 2 terms, this we choose these 5 terms. In this case, common difference is also D. And if we choose 7 terms, then we choose these terms. This is total 7 terms. If we choose 9 terms, another here A plus 4D, and in this case A minus 4D, and so on. But for even number of series, even number of terms of series, in this case we take 2 terms A minus D and A plus D. Common difference is 2D, A plus 3D, and here A minus 3D. 4 term choose. If we choose 6 term, 6 is even. Here A plus 5D and A minus 5D, 2 to 4 to 6. If you choose 8 terms, A plus 7D and A minus 70 and so on. We choose 4 terms, this and this. We choose 6 terms. We take 1 term here and this terms here. In this case, common difference is 2D, and we subtract from this A cancel D, and in this case common difference equal to D. यदि हम ऐसा करते हैं तो आसानी से प्रॉब्लम को हल किया जा सकता है। अब हम लोगों ने प्रॉब्लम नंबर 16 को थोड़ा देखें। 3 terms are in AP. Let us suppose that 3 terms are 3 even or odd terms, A minus D, A plus D. This is 3 terms. By question, three terms are in AP. Their sum is 27, so that A minus D plus A plus D equal to 27. A 3A, D and D cancel. 27 imply that A equal to 27 by 3, 9. We get the value of A. This is a first term is 9, and by second condition sum of their square is 225. By second condition sum of their square, this A minus D का स्क्वायर प्लस A स्क्वायर प्लस A प्लस D का स्क्वायर सम इज इक्वल टू 275. नाउ A माइनस D का होल स्क्वायर A स्क्वायर प्लस D स्क्वायर माइनस 2AD प्लस A स्क्वायर प्लस हियर A स्क्वायर प्लस D स्क्वायर प्लस 2AD equal to 225. Now this and this cancel. A square and A square, here A square and A square, 3A square, and D square, and here also D square, 2D square equal to 275. As we see here, A equal to 9, 3 into 9 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2D स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 275. Here 81 and 3 into 81 plus 2d square equal to 275. 2d square equal to 275 minus 3 1 जा 3, 24. Now here in this case 5 minus 3 into 2, 7 minus 4, 3. So that d square equal to, this is a 16, d equal to plus minus 4. Value of d plus minus 4. Then the terms will be, find the numbers. Numbers will be what? A minus d, a minus d, a plus d, a equal to 9, 9 minus 4, 9, 9 plus 4. It means that 5, 9 and 13. Common difference of this is also 4, no 5. Here 5, 9 and 13. If you take negative signs, then also come these terms in 13, 9 and 5. Terms is same, but their side change, so that find the number. This is our required result. Now question number 17. Divide 20 into 4 parts which are in April. We have just see that if we take the four terms and even terms of AP, then we assume that, let us suppose that four part of, let us suppose that 4 part of an AP is A plus 2D, A plus D. Here A minus D, A minus 3D, A plus D and A minus 3D. We assume the even part of this 4 is even, so that A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Let us suppose that 4 part of an AP is itana. By equation divide 20 divided 4 parts, so that sum of these A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus, this is A plus 3D, A plus 3D equal to 20. Now in this case 3D cancel, D and D also cancel, A and A, 4A equal to 20, imply that A equal to 5. Now we get A equal to 5, and product of first and fourth is, here product of first and fourth is to the product of second and third is itana. So that product of first is this a minus 3d first, and product of first and fourth, this is a first and this is a fourth, a plus 3d is to any ratio product of second a minus d, and third a plus d equal to 2:3 and 2/3. This is a algebraic part, and here a x minus y and x plus y, x square minus y square, this comes a square minus 3 and 9d square, and this is also a square minus d square equal divided by here 2/3. By cross multiplication here this 3a square minus 3 9 are 27 d square equal to 2a square minus 2d square. Here 3a square, this comes here only equal to a square, and this is equal to this minus 27 comes here 27d square minus 2d square. I see here a equal to 5 square equal to 25 d square. It means that this is the 25, so that d square equal to 1. 25 by 25 d square equal to 1, so that d equal to plus minus 1. Value of d we get here. And a is also we calculate here, so that terms will be, so that terms a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Here we take the value of d is 1. Now a equal to 5. 5 minus 3 into 1. 5 minus d is equal to 1. 5 plus d is equal to 1. 5 plus 3 into 1. This will be 3 and 2. 5 minus 1 equal to 4, 5 plus 1 equal to 6, and 5 plus 3 equal to 8. This is a required term 2, 4, 6, 8, and sum of this 2, 4, 6, 6, 12, 8, 20, and sum of this is 20. And now if you take negative part of d, then this comes here. Also same series, if we take d equal to minus 1, in this case a equal to 5. 5 minus 3 into d equal to minus 1. A 5 minus d equal to minus 1. A plus d, and 5 plus minus 1. A plus 3d and 5 plus 3 into minus 1. This comes here minus minus plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is a plus 1, 5, 1, 6. This is a 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Part is same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 6, 4, 2. No difference of the parts. Now we consider another problem. Now question number 18. Divide 15 into 3 parts which are in AP and sum of their स्क्वायर जितना 15 को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना. लेट अस सपोज दैट 3 पार्ट आर ए माइनस डी एंड ए प्लस डी एंड बाय क्वेश्चन सम ऑफ 3 पार्ट इज 15. ए माइनस डी ए प्लस डी इज 15. डी एंड डी कैंसिल. ए 3 इक्वल टू 15, ए इक्वल टू 5 and also given that sum of their square is 83, so that a minus d का स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस d का स्क्वायर 83. a and b का होल स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. just like this, and this is a square plus d square plus 2ad, and this cancel. A square and a square 3a square, d square and d square 2d square equal to 83. A equal to 5, putting this 5 5 are 25, 3 is 75. This comes here and subtract from 83, that is 8. 2d square equal to 8, so that d square equal to 2 4 add 4, so that d equal to plus minus 2. Putting the value of a and d, a 5 and d equal to plus 2, so 5 minus 2, 5 and 5 plus 2, so that the part of 15 is 3, 5 and 7, and if you put d equal to minus 2, then that comes 7, 5 and 3 also. Now question number 19, the sum of 3 numbers are 80. Similarly, sum 3 numbers is such that sum of this is equal to 12 and 3a equal to 12, a equal to 4. And by question, sum of their cube is 408, third half 408. x minus y का होल क्यूब बराबर x क्यूब माइनस y क्यूब माइनस 3xy इक्वल टू x माइनस y, एंड x प्लस y का होल क्यूब बराबर x क्यूब प्लस y क्यूब प्लस 3xy इक्वल टू x प्लस y. On the basis of this can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab equals to a minus d, and this is a cube and this is a cube plus d cube minus plus 3ab equals to a plus d. Now this d cancel, a cube 3a cube, and here this term is cancelled, and now we analyze this 3a cube and 3ad square and 3ad square 6ad square 408, and dividing 3, that is a cube, or 2ad square is equal to 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18. Now putting the value of a equal to 4, so 4 that 16, 4 is 64, this comes here, and 4 2 is 8, d square is equal to this, so that d square is equal to 72, d square is equal to 8 9 is 72, d is equal to plus minus 3. Now putting the value of a here, in this case a, to a minus d, a and a plus d, here terms will be a minus d, and 4 minus 3, 1 is 4 minus 3, a and 4 or 4 plus 3, that is equal to 1, 4 and 7. This is the three numbers that sum is 415 and 712, and sum of cube of this is 408. This is our result. Now we discuss another example. If A, B, C, B in AP, then prove that B plus C plus A plus B are in AP. 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP. AB plus AC by BC, BC plus BA by CA, CA plus BC by AB are in AP. A square B plus C, B square C plus A, C square A plus B are in AP. हमें दिखाना है कि जब ए बी सी एपी में है तो यह भी जो एपी में अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में होगा। यह प्रॉपर्टी बेस प्रॉब्लम है। ए बी सी जब एपी में है, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है, तो किसी कांस्टेंट राशि को जब सब में जोड़ दिया जाए तभी एपी में होंगे, या कांस्टेंट राशि को मान लीजिए के को घटा देंगे तभी एपी में होगा, या कांस्टेंट राशि से गुणा कर देंगे तो जो सीरीज मिलेगा वो भी एपी में होगा, और कांस्टेंट राशि से यदि भाग दे देंगे तब भी जो एपी में होगा। जनरली यूज इन द कांस्टेंट के इक्वल टू ए बी सी या ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, इस तरह के प्रश्न में जोड़े जाते हैं। लगभग 70% प्रश्न इस तरह हल हो जाते हैं। अब हम लोग थोड़ा हल करें। फर्स्ट में दिया हुआ है ए बी सी बी ने ए बी सी बी इन ए बी सी पी में है, तो जब हमें इसमें से किसी कांस्टेंट राशि को घटा दें, यानी ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग A plus B plus C, on subtracting A plus B plus C from each term A minus A plus B plus C, B minus A plus B plus C, C minus A plus B plus C। कांस्टेंट राशि को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर भी जो है आर इन एपी एंड हियर ए कैंसिल विथ माइनस साइन बी प्लस सी माइनस बी प्लस सी, हियर माइनस ए बी कैंसिल बी, हियर बी कैंसिल माइनस ए प्लस सी, here C cancel minus A plus B R in AP, A भी AP में होगा। यदि जो है हम कांस्टेंट से डिवाइड कर देंगे तभी AP में होगा। ऑन डिवाइडिंग -1 in each term, this is equal to B plus C, this is equal to A plus C, C plus A, this is equal to A plus B, R in AP। First part proof, first part proof BC B plus C, C plus A plus B are in AP। Second, we have seen that 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP। We have shown that now given ABC B in AP, given A, B, C, B in AP. Now and dividing a constant ABC and dividing constant ABC from each term we get A by ABC, A by ABC, B by ABC, C by ABC are in AP, so that A cancel 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP. Second part proved. Now for the third part, now ABC be in the AP and dividing ABC, A by ABC, B by ABC, C by ABC, so that A is cancelled 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP, OB are in AP, and multiplying AB plus BC plus CA on this end, and after subtracting -1 we get AB plus AC by BC, BC plus BA by CA, CA plus BC by AP are in the AP. Third part proved. Now for the fourth part, in this case A is cancelled, in this case B is cancelled, A is common, B common and C common. In this case we get, and multiplying ABC, BC cancel, A square B plus C, B square C plus A and C square A plus B are in AP. Fourth part proved. And now like and subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.